Of our Toyota 9th. Now, if you're not yet a subscriber, please subscribe to make this channel grow. Okay, so the first thing to do is to open the front passenger side. Alright, so for this maintenance job, we only need a Phillips screwdriver. Let's start. Alright, so we'll just open the glove box like this. Now, after opening the glove box, there will be a screw here on the side. So let's remove the screw, turn it to the left. Alright, so screw is now removed. Okay, the next thing to do is to remove this. Just pull it out, and then you're going to pull the glove box in that direction. Pull out, and there you go. Glove box is off. Just easy as that.